Right, chaps. Good afternoon once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Horsham Football Club is the heartbeat of the community. A warm welcome. The volunteers just bring so much. Our chairman's always talking about the £100,000 secret weapon, and that's what the volunteers bring. Hi, I'm Mark Barrett. I'm the Management Committee Vice Chairman here at Horsham Football Club and also the match day announcer. Today I'll be up announcing the teams, making the announcements across the tannoy and just generally making sure everything's running smoothly. In terms of if there's any safety requirements I need to obviously update the supporters with, and generally keeping everyone informed what we've got going on, which is plenty today. We've got the fan zones set up and then obviously the bar and the clubhouse, and basically running people through what we've got on. Coming through. Sorry guys. I've done so many different roles over the years, from running the club shop, selling match day, hospitality, programmes, 50-50 draw, done the sandwiches for the players, and anything really. You just got to try your hand at. That's what these clubs are run on really, is just people rolling their sleeves up and getting on with it.
I think we've been very fortunate, but look, it's the type of club that once it gets its claws into you, you can't get away from it. It's a great club. Great community-minded club, and it always has been, and that's always been our ethos.
One more time.
My name is John Lyons. I'm club photographer for Horsham Football Club. I came to my first game in 2004. I took my camera because that was my hobby at the time, and took a few pictures and got involved with the editor of the programme, who asked me if I would allow the club to use my photographs in the programme, which was great.
John's really important anyway because he captures what happens on a match day with his photographs, but he's more than that. He used to be CEO and played a major role in securing the new stadium here at the Hop Host.
I learned that the club had sold their ground with a long stop completion date. We had nowhere to go to, so I offered my services because my background has been in property and redevelopment. The club then took me on board as a director.
He'll underplay it, but he's just a driving force for this club over the last few years.
I think my favourite picture of all time is one of Lee Farrell scoring a goal against Swansea City in the FA Cup.
Lee Farrell, he's my hero.
He's profoundly deaf and played for England in the Deaf Olympics and won a gold medal. And I just think a great photograph of him celebrating his goal. That's my favourite one of all time.
One more time.
Today I retire as club photographer. I will go home and away with the club as I always have done, but not to take photographs. It's going to be a strange experience because I'll actually be watching a game from time to time rather than concentrating on the focus, the players and everything else that goes with shooting action pictures.